Is your Subaru Legacy screen staying black when you plug in for Apple CarPlay? Data suggests that 8 out of 10 infotainment blackouts are just software glitches that a quick reset can clear. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your connection back up and running. Start by ruling out the basics like faulty cables, dirty ports, or a temporary handshake failure. If that fails, perform a hard reboot of the infotainment system by holding the volume knob until the logo reappears. Sometimes the phone is the culprit, so try removing the car from your CarPlay settings and repairing it completely. Most issues resolve at home, but if you still see a black screen, it might be time for a dealer firmware flash. As you can see, a simple cable swap is the most frequent fix for this annoying blank screen issue. If you must head to the shop, document the failure and check your current firmware version to help your technician. Keep a high-quality cable in your glove box and keep your software updated to prevent this from happening again. Remember, stay calm, try the simple resets first, and you will likely be back to your music in no time. Check the description for more tips and subscribe for more Subaru troubleshooting guides.